Hi everyone, we are at the Green County Resort night walk, and we are walking at night through the coffee plantations. This is such a nice experience. It's utter pitch black everywhere, and all 10 of us are here. All 10 of us here, and this is amazing. We're walking at night, and there are chances that we could spot snakes or something like that. When we are talking to the activist or the person who's in charge in the morning, he told us last week they spotted 2 king cobras here. So it's pitch black everywhere. So let's see what's in store for us. We are going with these lamps, the kerosene lamps. It's actually the kerosene lamps.
We are going down. Signal. Careful, guys. Put your backlight, Ram.
Where is the intercom? Your backlight is not working.
Hazard light. Hazard. Slow down.
Madhuna, idu unga mobile dana?
Yeah, man, it's good. Actually, it is good. With these lights, right, that these guys are holding.
Look at that. That's another insect which is creaking here. I don't know what is it. It's not a cricket. It's not the normal sound that we hear. It's fantastic here. The night walk. Oops, careful. And here you have a road there, and these are coffee plantations, and someone got stuck there.
That thing is making. I think we have entered its territory and it is giving us a warning, saying like, oh, stay away bro, don't come to my property.
And they are explaining to us
Rafiq,
about something.
this is they used to make kajal.
Kajal plant.
Kajal. That thing they will do and crush it seems.
Looks like pepper.
Pepper also there.
That's pepper.
That is pepper. Another two are there.
Like that, na?
It will taste.
Only after
Try.
You can taste.
In my native, what they do is that you see this vinegar, no?
This pepper, no?
Vinegar.
It's pepper.
They soak these raw ones in vinegar and they make that pickle kind of thing.
And we can do fish fry after this one.
It's spicy.
Like that only.
Say, this will not be spicy because it's still not ripe.
But it is.
It is spicy?
Spicy.
This is the reaper where they make kajal.
And the night sky is beautiful. I cannot get it on the GoPro, but this walk is fantastic. I've never gone on a walk like this. We are going in the coffee estate, and it's a nearby forest. There are nearby forests. I was talking to a local, and he was like, there are elephants around, and around 2 days back, an elephant was spotted here.
The scariest part is we are the 2 last guys walking here, and all of a sudden, if something comes from behind and attack us, no, it's really scary. You can show them how it looks behind.
Look at that. It's so scary. It's pitch black. And so we are at the back and we're walking. I hope there is nothing that will come from behind.
But they've told us,
Maybe there are ghosts only.
they've said that there are few wild animals, but not much. Let's see. Fingers crossed. Hope for the best. It's little scary with snakes around, king cobras around, and what is this? They said elephants are there.
That's Rafiq Bhai talking, and they found something here.
Oh, some leaf.
Oh my God! Special leaf.
That's fine. Oh, then lucky I can try.
We call it as kakkada padnat. On that day,
Karkada Padinette,
18 types of medicine.
ಚಟ್ನಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಆಟಿ ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯೆದು
By Karkada Padinette, no, you have to finish. Karkada Padinette. Now you say.
Do coffee flowers have smell? Flower? It's very strong. Morning. Then It was very strong.
How come it smells only on that day?
ഏത്
That leaf?
അത് പ്രേതം വരുമ്പോൾ അതിന് മനസ്സിലാവില്ല പാല പോലെ ഉണ്ട്. Look at that view there. It's pitch black. Torch ഉണ്ട്.
Hey, I think that's the white thing is.
അല്ലല്ല, it's a flower. ഞങ്ങൾ രാവിലെ ഇതിലെയാണ് നടന്നത്. We went this way only in the morning. Look at that view. Only 2 lights been seen. This is what you call the forest walk, the night walk.
Switch off your light and take only. They won't let me.
ഇല്ല എന്നാലും കിട്ടും.
Then.
അല്ല ഇത്ര ഉണ്ടെങ്കിലേ അത് കിട്ടത്തുള്ളൂ.
Oh yeah, nice, correct. Other light ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ കിട്ടും.
അതിൽ there's a light. There's some light there. Tent house.
Yeah.
There's a house. ഞങ്ങൾ രാവിലെ ഇതിലാണ് വന്നത്. There's a stream there. വേണേട്ടാ രാവിലെ നമ്മൾ കണ്ട വീട്.
After 5 kilometers of walk, this was the first house that we spotted.
Oh my god.
Sorry. After 5 kilometers of walk.
കത്തി
ഹൗസ് കാണിക്കാൻ പാടില്ല ഭയ. Look at the moon there. Very nice. പക്ഷെ അത് കിട്ടൂല. ഞാൻ വിചാരിച്ചു എന്തോ
Light പോലെ കാണും.
ലൈറ്റിംഗ് പോലാണ്.
We'll ask them what they saw.
We should not ask them.
This is like in Run of Kutch, right? We are asking the other safari truck guys, did you spot lion? आपने शेर देखा?
वो तो सो गई वो रात में गया था ना
Manu bhai, enchanting lion.
അവിടെ ഉണ്ടോ ഏരിയയില്? ആ ഏരിയയിലുണ്ടോ
അങ്ങനെ ഇല്ല അവിടെ, ഞങ്ങൾ കണ്ടില്ല. But we saw one കാഞ്ചി പോണ
ലൈൻ? It's open in the wild.
open, yeah.
So open in the wild in sense?
Oh, you don't know our Run of Kutch story?
No.
Where we rode into forest
By mistake?
by mistake.
And then you saw lion.
No, we didn't see lion. Lucky enough that we didn't see lion.
Okay.
or else it will be like that viral video where lion was running behind that motorcycle.
Tiger.
But in Run of Kutch, the scene is like in Gir forest, not in Run of Kutch. Gir forest.
Here where is it? Maharashtra?
No, Gujarat.
Gujarat, okay.
So the scene is like you actually go to this forest and people there live with lions.
Okay.
Like they have lions walking like dogs here, and
Okay. So they don't attack the...
they don't attack is what they told us.
Okay.
So we went to that place by mistake.
Only once it
If they are hungry,
Okay. Yeah, all the cat family are like that.
Uh-huh.
But still,
But going into that wrong path,
Okay.
and a security guard warning us. It was the same DRC, right?
okay.
Where 5 bikers, we took a wrong turn. We had set map as Gir forest, where we didn't set the location to the, what do you call that thing? No, that forest thing they take, no? They take in truck safari, yeah.
Safari.
Gir safari
You
is a
wanted to
different
go to the
place,
Gir safari, okay.
and Gir forest is a core jungle.
You entered the forest. So how did they let you in the checkpost?
First checkpost they didn't question us. Second checkpost there were no one there. Third checkpost, which is somewhere around 40 kilometers, not 40, 20, 25 kilometers
Okay.
from the highway. We thought we have not reached the place yet, and you will feel something is wrong because there are no proper roads. Everything is like forest.
And what time you were at night or daytime?
It was
as
daytime.
though some hill and all is there.
That's forest. After that is forest.
Nice, no?
Elephant came till there 2 days back.
So what happened? We actually stopped at that place, and we inquired a guard who was sleeping.
Dinesh,
This was what time? Daytime or
This was like we had to reach at 4:45
in the evening?
evening for our slot. We had booked at 4:45. So when we nice sexy bro stars. 4:45 we had to reach there. So we were already late.
Okay.
We had to cover around 700 kilometers and we started late.
Okay.
Oh crazy! Who's back?
We could have run back.
What is happening here?
This.
I got.
Okay, somebody. Yeah, we joined someone.
so Bhajan sir is coming.
And then what happened? Let's continue.
Let them finish.
Okay.
Okay, now just switch off all the torch.
this one?
Enough, half an hour.
This one.
Stargazing.
Okay, wait. 1 second. No? Light, camera, action.
So you see this mountain range?
Yes. Oh, laser. Fuck. Crazy.
This mountain range?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so this is Brahmagiri Wildlife Sanctuary.
Okay.
Okay. So this connected to Nagarhole National Park.
Okay.
So there is every animal like tiger, leopard, black leopard, elephants, deer, everything,
Okay.
because that is connected to
Nagarhole.
Nagarhole National Park. And you see that ridge,
Hmm.
Yeah.
mountain ridge.
Yeah.
After that, exact after that, there is Kannur Forest Range, Kerala range.
Okay.
So this is Karnataka Kerala border. Okay.
Okay.
Karnataka Forest Department is very strict.
Hmm.
Okay. There is one trench. They made one big trench, like 15-20 feet deep trench. Okay. Why they made? Because of the elephants.
Okay.
So animals don't go that side, and that animal is not come in the Karnataka side.
Okay.
So they are very particular about that animal, the Karnataka Forest Department.
Okay.
Okay. So, but animal is animal, very clever. Mostly the elephants. Okay.
They
So-
roll down and come.
Yeah. So they don't go down,
Hmm.
but they
Push those trees.
put the big boulders, and they
Push it down and they
they
walk on it.
made the way.
Okay.
So in the March and April start fruit season. So all the elephants came in this village area
Okay.
for the jackfruit and mangoes and jamuns, every fruit season. But in those days you heard the many gun firing. Okay. Why gun firing? If you sit here sometime and you just wait, you also continuously till 5 o'clock you just heard the gun shots. Okay. So why gunshot? Because of the wild boar. Because right now paddy field is harvesting. So paddy field is favorite for wild boars. Wild boar. Do you know wild boar?
Yeah. Yeah.
So wild boar and deers. They came in the group. Okay, and they just destroy all the paddy fields. So that's why they just continuously firing. So in Coorg people they have mandatory guns. Everyone's. Okay. So they just continuously fire. Okay, they don't shoot any animal, but if wild boar came in their farm area, legally they shoot, but they can't eat. They don't eat. So they just give all the things, means wild boar and all this gun and everything. They just go in the forest department, and they just yeah. So only the wild boar, not other animals.
They don't shoot other animals.
No.
Not allowed.
Not allowed.
So tigers and leopards come this side also.
Yes,
It has
yes.
happened where
Yeah,
we are standing and
many,
these places.
Many time.
Many times.
Yeah.
What they do?
Nothing. They,
They
just
just
came
catch
for.
them.
They just came for the pets. Mostly.
And normally they come for water also, right? When
Yeah,
it becomes
when
dry. When
in
it
the
becomes,
summer time.
they come out looking
Yes,
for water.
yes. But mostly people said that is very dangerous, and people continuously see the movies and everything. They just pass the message they are dangerous, but they are not dangerous at all.
Tiger and leopard.
No, not at all.
For human beings, not
I am
dangerous.
wandering last 20 years in the forest, India's many forests.
Okay.
So I saw the tiger when I am walking
Hmm.
with group.
It came in front of you, nothing happened.
Yes, but nothing. They just avoid us basically. So that is just
So if the tiger come now means
nothing.
Everyone will run in all directions.
Yeah.
That's all.
So when
I will go stand
so
next time.
if the every animals doing like this, then you don't see this house also.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
they just
It will be a forest.
yeah, exactly. They're living last many years. So in the Coorg, you said that gunshot. Okay. So in the Coorg, so in the Coorg they have
പിള്ളേർ കളിച്ചോണ്ട്
so if there is any baby birth, so you see the house, one
Yeah.
house here, one
Yeah.
house here, one there. Our property is that side, the light side.
Yeah.
Okay. So every house is built in the jungle and long space. Okay, very far. So how they communicate with each other? So so they have gun. Okay, so if there is 2 gunshot back to back, that it's mean someone is dead in that
Okay.
house. Okay, so if there is they are just voice the drums continuously and big bang on the plate, so that is the someone is baby birth in that house. Okay, but now those days everyone is going in the hospital, that's why they don't drums. But so
Okay.
in now till now they do this guns. See this firefly. So you see that firefly, that is a male one.
How do you
Yeah.
find it?
So the female one is not fly, that is worm, like this big.
Oh, okay.
When they are wandering in the ground, wandering on the ground.
I didn't know. Yeah.
So this is only male,
Yeah, all
and
male.
the female doesn't fly.
No.
It looks the same or no?
No,
It's
no,
a worm,
It's worm, like this big worm.
just like a caterpillar.
Yes, like caterpillar.
What color is it?
Black. And
Just like a millipede or something.
yes,
maybe.
yes, same like
And that also
Same like-
illuminates.
Yeah, that also glow.
Okay,
The caterpillar also glow.
but we never.
I've
Normally
seen.
we never seen it.
I've seen, I've
If you come in the midnight,
Uh,
you seen commonly.
normally, if you're walking
Yes,
on the road.
yes.
He'll come again.
Okay, now I
Sure.
will show you the clouds. Okay, I have one.
Before that, can you do that laser thing once again?
Yeah.
Looked amazing.
Beautiful.